Are you currently in the Kansas City area and searching for a great place to enjoy a delicious dinner? Even if you've lived here your entire life, it can still be challenging to pinpoint which local restaurants truly stand out. Luckily, you don't need to worry, we've done the research for you. In today's video, we'll be counting down the top 10 places to have dinner in Kansas City, Missouri. Before we jump in, make sure to subscribe to our channel. And let's get started. Number 10. Corvino Supper Club. Corvino Supper Club and Tasting Room is an incredibly inviting destination, perfect for celebrating life's special moments. With its elegant ambiance, Corvino is one of Kansas City's top choices for a memorable night out. Whether you're celebrating an anniversary, graduation, or simply looking for something different. Be sure to reserve your table in advance, as this spot is well worth the planning. It's ideal for a romantic dinner or an intimate gathering with friends and family. Corvino also prioritizes guest comfort and safety by maintaining thorough health and safety measures, allowing diners to relax and enjoy their experience. Number 9. The Antler Room. Have you ever wanted to enjoy globally inspired cuisine made almost entirely from locally sourced ingredients? The Antler Room brings that concept to life. This restaurant specializes in creative small plates influenced by flavors from around the world. The menu changes frequently, so every visit feels new and exciting, no matter how often you return. The Antler Room is a standout local favorite and is quickly becoming a go-to spot for anyone seeking a unique and unforgettable dining experience in Kansas City. Number 8. The Restaurant at 1900, led by James Beard Award 2020 semi-finalist Linda Duer. The Restaurant at 1900 is a destination where culinary creativity takes center stage. Chef Duer continuously reinvents the menu, crafting specials based on seasonal ingredients and her own inventive inspiration. With influences drawn from Italian and French cuisine as well as New England traditions, where Chef Duer grew up, every meal feels like a delightful surprise. No two visits are exactly the same, making this restaurant a must-try for adventurous food lovers. Number 7. Fox plus Pearl. Because Fox plus Pearl designs its menu around the changing seasons, it's a place worth revisiting several times a year. Located on Summit Street in the West Side neighborhood, this restaurant offers a thoughtful take on modern American cuisine and craft beverages. The menu is intentionally small, allowing each dish to meet the highest quality standards. Instead of being overwhelmed by options, diners can easily select a meal and enjoy a stress-free experience. Whether dining in or ordering takeout, Fox plus Pearl provides a relaxing and satisfying escape. Number 6. Rai Rai is a beloved Kansas City restaurant with locations at Country Club Plaza and Mission Farms. Owned by siblings Megan and Colby Gerolds, the restaurant proudly celebrates Midwestern culinary traditions through thoughtfully prepared dishes. Popular menu items include smoked pork chops, steaks, fried chicken, seasonal vegetables, fresh pies, and Parker House rolls. Whether you stop by for brunch, lunch, or dinner, Rai guarantees generous portions and comforting flavors. It's a fantastic place to share a meaningful meal with loved ones. Number 5. Q39. If you're craving outstanding food without leaving Kansas City, Q39 is an excellent choice. With locations in Midtown and Overland Park, this popular barbecue spot offers a wide variety of dishes, including appetizers, salads, specialty sandwiches, brisket burgers, wood-fired plates, and barbecue lunch options. There's also a kid-friendly menu and a selection of desserts. Whether you're dining with your partner, family, or friends, Q39 is a great place for both celebrations and casual meals. Seating guidelines are followed to ensure a comfortable dining experience for everyone. Number 4. Jarocho. Looking to break away from your usual routine with fresh, flavorful Mexican seafood? Jarocho is the perfect choice. Who says great seafood can't be found in the Midwest? With 2 Kansas City locations, Jarocho proves otherwise. The menu features seafood cocktails, ceviches, whole fish specialties, Mexican soups known as caldos, and signature dishes that leave a lasting impression. Whether you dine in, order takeout, or choose curbside pickup, Jarocho offers flexibility and unforgettable flavors. Number 3. Vietnam Cafe. As temperatures begin to drop, there's nothing more comforting than a warm bowl of pho. Vietnam Cafe is the perfect place to experience this beloved Vietnamese dish. The menu includes a wide selection of pho options such as beef, chicken, meatballs, seafood, and more. Beyond pho, guests can enjoy soups, fried noodles, rice dishes, shrimp specialties, vegetarian meals, and daily specials. Be sure to finish your meal with a traditional Vietnamese iced coffee, hot tea, or soda to complete the experience. Number 2. 3rd Street Social. 3rd Street Social is a fantastic choice for a cozy family dinner at home or a memorable night out in Lee's Summit. The restaurant now offers convenient family-style takeout packs that are both affordable and packed with flavor. From crowd-pleasing meals to refreshing drinks, everyone at home will be thrilled with the selection. Don't forget to try the sangria, available by the quart in red or white at an excellent value. It's the perfect treat after a long week. Number 1. La Bodega. La Bodega is the ultimate spot for slowing down and enjoying a relaxed meal with your partner or close friends, especially on the weekend. Located on Southwest Boulevard in the West Side neighborhood, this tapas bar is a local favorite. You can place your order directly from your phone and choose to dine in or pick up curbside. Happy hour is an especially popular time to visit, making it easy to enjoy sangria, small plates, and a laid-back atmosphere. La Bodega is all about unwinding and savoring the moment. Let us know in the comments which restaurant you choose for dinner. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing content.